Morning class, let's continue chapter number 5. We will see a new term, that is action button. Now what are action buttons? These are built-in shapes. That means these are the shapes which can perform some action. Okay. So when you will click on that shape, some action will be performed. Now which type of action can be performed? You can go to another slide, you can play sound, or you can open any website, or you can perform any other action. And how the action will be performed? Action will be performed whether you will click the mouse or you will move the mouse over that shape. Let's see the demo of action button. I hope you remember this presentation. In this presentation, I have used many action buttons, and these action buttons are used to perform some action when clicked. Okay. So we will run the slideshow by using F5 button. Whenever I am clicking on wrong answers, some action is performed. This is the action. Okay. And this go back to the previous question. It is also one action button which will take me to the previous question. So which action is performed when I am clicking on go back to the previous question? C. Okay. So these four are action buttons, and when I am clicking on correct answer, this action is being performed. That is next slide. Okay. Slide is changing. So this next question is again a action button which will show me next question. So I hope it's clear now what are action buttons. Action buttons will perform some action when clicked. Okay. So I'll take new presentation. Now action buttons are there in insert tab and shapes, and at the end there are action buttons. So you can choose any action button from here, and you will draw that action button in your slide like this. Okay. So this is my action button. So whenever you will draw action button, this dialog box will come. Here you will specify which type of action you want. So the first one is none, second one is hyperlink. Okay. So this mouse click and mouse over, that means whenever you will click on that action, whatever action you have set, it will be performed. Mouse over means what? No need to click, only whenever mouse will come on that action button, action will be performed automatically. No need to click on that mouse button. Hyperlink means linking two things together. Okay. So first one is next slide. That means whenever I will click on this hyperlink or action button, I can see next slide. Next is previous slide. That means I can see previous slide by clicking on this action button. First slide means I will go to first slide when I will click on this action button. Last slide means I will go to last slide when I will click on this action button. Last slide viewed means whichever slide I have viewed recently, that slide will come after clicking. End show means my slideshow will end. Custom show means whatever custom show slideshow I have saved, I can go to that slideshow. Next one is if I don't want next slide, previous slide or last slide, I want a particular slide. That is, suppose there are 5 slides and I am on slide number 1. I want slide number 3. Then I will use this option slide all the list of slides will come, select from that. Okay. Next one is URL. URL means what? I want to open any website. When I'll click on this action button, I will use this URL. Other PowerPoint presentation, that means I want to run any other slideshow, not of this file but other PowerPoint files. I can use that. Next one is other file. Other file means what you want to open other than PowerPoint files, you can use this. Run program means if you want to run program in your computer when this action button is clicked. Play sound means if you want to play sound while performing the action, you can use this play sound. Same options are there in mouse over also, but the difference is in mouse over no need to click. Whenever mouse will move over this action button, the action will be performed. Now I'll show you again how to insert action button. Insert tab, shapes, take any one action button from here and draw it. Then this dialog box will open. You have to specify which action you want after clicking this. So 2 events, mouse click and mouse over. Mouse click means whenever you will click on that action button, I am selecting last slide. That means slide number 3. When I will click on this action button, I will run slideshow. I will click on this action button. Slide number 3 will come. Next is, if I want to change, I will right click. I will click on edit hyperlink. Again, I don't want last slide. I want next slide, that is slide number 2. I will run slideshow again. When I'll click here, slide number 2 will come. Again I'll click on edit hyperlink and I will now use mouse over. Hyperlink to, I will make mouse click none. Next slide. So I will not click on this button. Whenever my mouse will come on this button, action will be performed automatically. See, I have not clicked. Slide 2 has changed automatically. So mouse over is clear. No need to click. Whenever mouse pointer will move on that button, action will be performed. Again I will come to slide number 1. Right click on the action button, edit hyperlink. Now I will select URL. And now I want to open school website. When I'll click on this action button, so I am writing here URL of our school website. Okay, I will again run slideshow. I will click here. Now school website will open. Again I will open my first slide, edit hyperlink. I will click here, hyperlink to, and I will click on other file. Now I want to open a file which is saved in my computer when this button is clicked. I am selecting file. I have selected OK. I will run slideshow. I will click on it. I will click on yes. Now whenever I will click on this, the file which I have mentioned will be open. Okay. Next one is, if I want to run a PowerPoint presentation or slideshow, I'll click here and I will select other presentation from computer. I'll select the presentation. I'll click on OK. Now I'll run the slideshow, and when I'll click here, that presentation file will be open. Okay? Yes, now see. So you can link two presentation together. No need to copy slides from that presentation to this presentation. Externally you can link. Next one is, if I want to play a sound with action, I will select sound from here. Okay, I'll run slideshow. I hope action buttons are clear to you now. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.